In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Jasper to create amazing, eye-catching, I want to open your email subject lines. So click on templates on the left-hand side, and then go ahead and click on email at the top. And you're going to see a bunch of different options. There's lots to do in here. You can write personalized cold emails. You can have it come up with persuasive bullet points, but we are going to specifically have it look at subject lines. Sometimes I have a really hard time coming up with something that's eye-catching, that's going to get someone's attention and want them to open the email. Now, this did save data from what I was playing around with it before, but the company name, because this email is promoting one of my podcast episodes, I did put my podcast name in here just in case it uses it somehow. I have added the word casual, because that's kind of my tone of voice, is just very casual, laid back. And then what I actually did was I just copied and pasted my email from ActiveCampaign that I'm using and put it right in Jasper. You have 800 characters to kind of describe what it's about. Sometimes I just plug the email in because I'm lazy, or AKA want to be as efficient as possible. And so I just copied it in here, and I have my input set to 3. So it's going to give me 3 options, and we're just going to hit generate and see what it comes up with. Here's one: take your audience game to the next level. Prepping to take your community building online. Got 5 minutes, finding your community online made easy. So I kind of like this one. This one's kind of eye-catching. I like to ask myself, if I was opening my inbox and I was my ideal customer, would I read this and be intrigued and say, I want to open that email? If the answer is no, this sounds boring, then come up with something else. Finding your community online made easy. I kind of think my audience would actually love this title. And the podcast is a bit longer than 5 minutes. It's under 15, but I think that's still fine because they can get some tidbits just within the first few minutes of the episode. So I would just go ahead and click this. I would copy it and I would just use it as is. If you don't love the options here, you can hit generate again, and it's going to generate a few more options. So here, learn how to build your audience and network with ease. Adding the name character here, that's great. Ready to build your audience and network. Hey, you won't want to miss this. So those are all great. I'm kind of looking for one that doesn't like, hey, here's how to join the party. I don't know if it really got it that well, so I don't think I would use that. It doesn't really make any sense. This one's actually really good. Boost your community through organic engagement. It's very clear, descriptive. I mean, that is what the episode's about. So if they want to learn about that, they'll love the episode. Tune in now, easiest ways to build your community organically. I kind of love this one as well. So, you can play around, but just make sure you're reading them. Sometimes they don't make sense. But yeah, give yourself some options. Pick the one that you think is the most eye-catching, the most intriguing to get someone to open your email, and then take that action inside. If you are not using Jasper yet, you can use my referral link at thechrissychin.com/Jasper for a free trial.